The MP-40 was one of Germany's most widely used submachine guns in World War II. Designed by Heinrich Vollmer, it evolved from earlier models like the MP-38 and was a staple weapon for German infantry, especially on the Eastern Front. But what made the MP-40 such a trusted tool in combat? Today, we're diving deep into the mechanics behind this iconic firearm. First, let's go over the basic specifications that shaped the MP-40's design. The MP-40 fired a 9mm parabellum round, with a rate of fire around 500 to 550 rounds per minute, and had an effective range of 100 to 150 meters. It used a 32-round detachable box magazine and weighed around 3.97 kilograms when loaded. These specifications were ideal for the fast-paced, close-quarters combat that characterized much of World War II, especially on the Eastern Front. But let's look closer at the mechanics that made the MP-40 both reliable and easy to handle. The MP-40 was a blowback-operated submachine gun. In simple terms, this means it used the force of the fired cartridge's expanding gases to automatically cycle the bolt and chamber the next round. No complex gas systems, just the power of each fired round propelling the mechanism. It also fired from an open bolt position, which means the bolt stays open and only slams forward when the trigger is pulled, firing the round. This open bolt system allowed for efficient cooling and quick firing, as the airflow over the chamber helped prevent overheating, especially when used in rapid fire. As the trigger is pulled, the bolt springs forward, strips a round from the magazine, and fires. The spent casing is ejected as the bolt recoils back, ready to load the next round. This sequence of movements, loading, firing, ejecting, repeats with every shot as long as the trigger is held down. One of the MP-40's standout features was its simplicity. The MP-40's blowback system had very few moving parts compared to other firearms. This meant it was easy to maintain and could withstand the harsh conditions soldiers faced, particularly on the Eastern Front. The MP-40's parts fit loosely enough to resist jamming, which was crucial in environments where mud, snow, and debris could clog more delicate weapons. It also had a durable construction, with much of its body made from stamped steel, which was quicker and cheaper to produce than traditional machined steel parts. The MP-40 was fed by a 32-round detachable box magazine. Soldiers had to load it carefully, as the double-stack magazine design sometimes caused feeding issues if not handled properly. Its rate of fire, about 500 to 550 rounds per minute, was moderate for a submachine gun. This slower rate allowed for more control during bursts and prevented the gun from overheating quickly. Soldiers could deliver accurate fire in short bursts without sacrificing stability, making the MP-40 both manageable and effective in close-quarters combat. The MP-40's controlled rate of fire and open bolt mechanism gave it a tactical advantage in close combat situations. German troops could effectively fire from cover, moving quickly between targets without the weapon overheating. Its weight, just under 4 kilograms, also helped to reduce recoil, making it easier to fire in bursts. However, the MP-40 had some limitations. Its 9mm rounds lacked the raw stopping power of heavier calibers, meaning it wasn't as effective at long range. The open bolt design, though cooling, could also make it harder to aim precisely, especially in sustained automatic fire. In the hands of the German infantry, the MP-40's mechanics provided reliable performance under some of the most challenging conditions of World War II. Though it had its quirks and limitations, it served as a testament to German engineering, combining simplicity with functionality. The MP-40's influence can still be seen today, with its design inspiring later submachine guns and even serving as a model for modern close combat firearms. For many, it remains a symbol of the World War II battlefield and a fascinating example of mechanical innovation. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of the MP-40's mechanics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on historic firearm and aviation videos.